my gingerbread and jellybean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. I know it's been months now since I last uploaded a video to YouTube, and I've always come up with excuses to be like, alright, life this and life that. But it's true. Life has been life. I tend to be distracted often, and yeah, it's just some days I'm just tired. I have things that I can always talk about, but it's like the motivation is not there per se. So it's like, yeah, I don't really get a chance to pull out the camera or even vlog some of the things that I've been doing. It's just like, alright, YouTube is there, and you know, I mean, yeah, I take it serious, but you know, I mean, real life is there as well, and you know, you just get caught up sometime. But you know, I've been encouraged to make videos. I've been encouraged from my wife, thanks Sugar, Minzy from Coach's Decks, you know, always encourage me like, yo, your channel have potential, you know, to start uploading videos again. And I really appreciate that, and this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video right here. I'm going to talk about a topic after this, but I just want to make like a short video first before I jump into that video, or one of those videos that I used to make. So yeah, I'm still alive, I'm still well. It's just life. I've just been caught up with a lot of stuff, and I haven't gotten a chance to really pop out the camera and get into the groove of things again and to make videos to upload to YouTube. Yeah, I know I have 3,000 plus people that's on the channel that probably, you know, wondering what's going on if you don't follow me on social media, you know. But yeah, so I'm still here, so I'm going to push out this like 2-minute video, and then I'm going to jump into the main topic that I want to talk about today. So thanks again for all the support. Thanks to those keep, you know, subscribing, you know, commenting, you know, those supporting me continuously. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next video, and you know, I guess welcome back. All right, let me jump out. All right, so go.